My topic is marketing public relation. Public relation not only must the company relate constructively to customers, suppliers, and dealers, but it must also relate to a large number of interested public. Number 1, press relation. Presenting news and information about the organization policies, products, services, and social activities in the most positive light. Number 2, product publicity. Sponsoring effort to publicize specific product which are entirely new or modified or altered to deliver more value to the customers. Number 3, corporate communication. Promoting understanding of the organization through internal and external communications so that the general public knows about the role of organization in their daily lives. Number 4, lobbying. Dealing with legislators and government officials to promote or defeat legislation and regulation related to their specific industry. For example, tax department is planning to levy taxes on foreign companies who are outsourcing the service from India. So, all the BPO firms will join hand and resist the proposal. Number 5, counseling. Advising management about public issues and company position and image. This includes the advising in the event of a product mishap. For example, report on the presence of pesticides in the soft drink, compelled Pepsi and Coke to quick initiate damage control exercise. Major decisions in marketing PR. In considering when and how to use MPR management, must establish the marketing objectives, choose the PR messages and vehicle, implement the plan carefully, and evaluate the result. Establishing marketing objectives or MPR can contribute to the following objects. Number 1, build awareness. MPR can place worthy stories in the media to bring attention to a product, service, person, organization, or idea. Number 2, build credibility. MPR can add credibility by communicating the message in an editorial context which has more believability than advertising. Number 3, stimulate the sales for force and dealer. MPR can help boost sales, force and dealer enthusiasm. Stories about a new product before it is launched will help the sale force sell it to retailer and to retailer. The retailer in turn can sell it effortlessly to the consumers. Number 4, hold down promotion costs. MPR costs less than direct mail and media advertising. So, choosing messages and vehicles. The manager must identify or develop interesting stories to tell about the product. Suppose a relatively unknown college want more visibility. In implementing the plan, implementing public relations requires care. Consider placing stories in the media. A great story is easy to place, but most stories are less than great and might not get past busy editors. And the last, evaluating result. MPR's contribution to the bottom line is difficult to measure because it is used along with the promotional tools.